Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. So to start the day, we just got ADP non-farm employment change. We have FOMC members speaking, final services PMI, ISM services PMI, 15 minutes and 30 minutes in the market open. And then about midway through the day, we have Fed Chair Powell speaking. So got a good amount of big movers. I would be interested to hear what is going on today. Going on looking at earnings. Today, Chewy has earnings pre-markets, and going on, don't really see anything else too interesting. Thursday, Lululemon, and Friday, nothing going on. Next week, GameStop on Tuesday, Adobe on Thursday, and Broadcom and Costco on Thursday as well. Now getting into the charts. All right, so the SPY is up $2 overnight, 0.34%. So yeah, the SPY is looking for new, or is currently at all-time highs, making new highs. And as of right now, I don't really see solid support. So what I would do is kind of just watch the trend on the lower time frames. Like right now, it looks like on the 5-minute there is a gap down to about 604.25. So on these, when you're at the all-time highs, I would really drop down to a lower time frame to really see what's going on. But yeah, if 604 looks like it's support. Going on looking at the Qs, once again at all-time highs. The Qs is looking amazing, and once again there is going to be a tiny gap, and that gap's going to be to about 518, so be on the lookout for that. IWM not at all-time highs right now, not quite looking the same, so support is looking like it's about 239.50, and resistance is looking like it's 241 right now. Looking at Tesla is still in an uptrend, still in a tight range. To me, this is kind of a no trade, but it still needs to, there is a gap that it needs to fill down to 345. So I like the idea of it coming down to that and then going for more highs. Meta hit all-time highs yesterday. It made a new high, so now there's a good chance of some kind of pullback. I would be on the lookout for the EMAs, maybe on the lower time frame first. If you look on the 5-minute, it is crossed down, but it is trying to cross back up, so just kind of be on the lookout for those. AMD right now, resistance appears to be about 144. Support looks to be about 142. Nvidia is once again charging up, with looks like there may be a gap down to, here, let's go down to a 5-minute. So don't just see any clear gaps, but there does appear to be some lower time frame liquidity just below 141. Palantir once again continuing to make highs, and yeah, at the moment looks like it's just taking a breather, but Palantir looks like it wants more to me. Taking a look at SoFi is continuing to make highs as well. There is a small gap down to about 1594, so be on the lookout for that. But everything's just looking bullish. So going on, Bitcoin's kind of been consolidating a little bit. We got this little kind of wedge pattern on Bitcoin, so be on the lookout for that. And we are kind of rising in puts, and the VIX is falling. The volatility is falling. There's not much fear in the markets right now, so things are looking good. That is going to be your watch list for the day, family. Let's get this bread.